These days, you don't need a fancy office or a 9-to-5 job to earn money. With just a laptop and internet, you can start making income online from home or anywhere in the world. There are tons of legit ways to do this, whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig. Here are some of the best and proven ways to earn money online. Dropshipping is a way to sell products without holding any inventory. Instead of buying and storing items, you set up an online store, and when someone buys from you, a supplier ships the items straight to them. You earn the difference between the price you charge and the price you pay the supplier. It's low risk, and you don't need a lot of money to begin. 2. Try print on demand. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping, but here you sell items with your custom designs, like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. When a customer orders something, the product is printed and shipped by a third party. You focus on creating designs and marketing. They handle the rest. Three, make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting other companies' products. You get a special link, and when someone buys through it, you earn a commission. You can do this on a blog, YouTube, TikTok, or even social media. It's a great way to make passive income. 4. Create and sell digital products. Got skills or knowledge? Turn it into a digital product, like an ebook, guide, or course, and sell it online. You create it once and can sell it over and over without shipping anything. It's scalable and can become a steady source of income. 5. Become a content creator. Start a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog and grow an audience. Once people start following you, you can make money through ads, brand deals, donations, and selling your own stuff. It takes time, but it's a long-term way to earn money doing what you love. 6. Offer freelance services. If you're good at writing, designing, video editing, translating, or coding, you can sell your services as a freelancer. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with clients from around the world. It's flexible and can lead to a full-time online career. Sell photos, music, or videos. Are you a photographer, musician, or videographer? You can license your work to stock websites like Shutterstock or Pond5. Every time someone downloads your work, you get paid. Create once, earn repeatedly. 8. Become an online tutor or coach. If you're skilled in something, math, fitness, music, language, you can teach others online. Use platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, or Zoom to run lessons or courses. People are always looking to learn new things, and you could be the one to teach them. 9. Start a subscription service or membership site. If you create valuable content regularly, consider starting a Patreon or private community. Fans pay a monthly fee for access to exclusive content, resources, or direct interaction with you. This model can give you stable monthly income. 10. Take online surveys or microtasks. It's not the most profitable option, but you can earn some cash or gift cards by filling out surveys or completing small online tasks. Websites like Swagbucks or Amazon Mechanical Turk are popular for this. 11. Monetize a blog. Blogging isn't just for telling stories or dropping tips. It can actually bring in cash. You can make money with ads, earn commissions through affiliate links, get paid for sponsored content, or sell your own stuff straight from your site. Best for writers, cultural commentators, or anyone with expertise to share with a niche audience. 11. Monetize a blog. Blogging isn't just for telling stories or dropping tips. It can actually bring in cash. You can make money with ads, earn commissions through affiliate links, get paid for sponsored content, or sell your own stuff straight from your site. Best for writers, cultural commentators, or anyone with expertise to share with a niche audience. 12. Become a reseller. Reselling products online is one of the quickest ways to start an online business. You can flip vintage treasures, distribute products for established brands, or curate items from multiple brands in your own e-commerce store. Best for people who want to jump into e-commerce without creating their own products from scratch. You'll skip product development, but you'll need to manage inventory and build supplier relationships. Both take time and attention. 13. Become an influencer. You don't need to be Insta-famous to cash in on influencer deals. These days, brands team up with creators of all sizes. They're after real people who can actually vibe with their audience. Whether it's shouting out a product, making cool content, or launching something together, there's money to be made through social media collabs. 14. Sell photos online. Got a phone or camera? You've got a shot at making money. Whether you're snapping pics on an iPhone or a fancy DSLR, selling photos online is a chill way to turn creativity into cash. If you've already got a solid photo stash, you're halfway there. Team up with a local print shop or grab a top-notch printer for home use. You can sell signed, limited edition prints on your own site, or upload your shots to platforms like Unsplash for passive income. Perfect gig for shutterbugs who want to turn their passion into profit. 15. Create and sell handmade or custom products. Got skills? Turn your handmade hustle into a real biz. If you're into crafting stuff by hand, why not cash in on it? It's an awesome way to turn your passion into profit while keeping full control over the quality and design. Sure, it takes time, but that personal touch really pays off, especially if you offer custom options that make your products one of a kind. Best for creators, DIY lovers, and crafty folks, or anyone teaming up with talented makers to build something cool. Got stories or smarts? Turn them into books and get paid. Just like making money with YouTube or online courses, you can cash in by selling books or ebooks. Whether it's a novel, a memoir, or a step-by-step guide, there's a reader out there for it. Best for writers, storytellers, and experts who want to share their ideas, experiences, or know-how. Effort level. Writing and editing takes real time and brain power, but once it's out there, your main job is getting it in front of the right readers. 17. Sell services or consultancy. You don't need to sell stuff. Sell yourself in a good way. When people think of online business, they picture products, but offering your skills can be just as or even more profitable. Think virtual gigs like personal styling, interior design advice, or fitness coaching from your laptop. Best for anyone with a talent or niche skill, whether you're a surf pro, a life coach, or even a cat behavior expert who's ready to turn what they know into income. 18. Create online courses and workshops. Teach it once, earn forever. Turning your skills into online courses or workshops is a smart way to make money while you sleep. You can host them on platforms like Teachable or drop them on your own site. The best part? Digital products like these are built for passive income. Make it once and sell it again and again without lifting a finger. Best for people with real know-how to share. Whether you've run an ultramarathon, illustrated for big brands, or mastered a skill others want to learn. 19. Monetize a YouTube channel. Every YouTuber starts with 0 subs and 1 idea. Creators like Cassie Ho, Will Young, and Katie Carson didn't blow up overnight. They built real communities by being themselves. If you love being on camera and sharing your take on things, YouTube's a solid way to earn online. From ad revenue to brand deals, there are tons of ways to get paid once you've got an audience. Best for anyone who's into making videos and wants to grow a following around their passions or skills. 20. Live stream on Twitch or other platforms. Live streaming isn't just for gamers anymore. Twitch might have kicked it off, but now platforms like YouTube and Instagram make it super easy to go live. Whether you're gaming, cooking up something tasty, or taking your viewers on an outdoor adventure, streaming is a solid way to connect in real time. Pick a niche and grow a loyal crew who vibes with what you do. Best for gamers, creatives, and anyone who loves going live and chatting it up with their audience on the spot. 21. Start a podcast. Podcasting's blowing up, and your voice could be next. As of 2025, over 584 million people are tuning into podcasts to get their fix of stories, laughs, news, and expert takes. If you've got a killer voice, a fresh perspective, or just love a good convo, podcasting might be your ticket to earning cash. No 9-to-5 required. 23. Become an Airbnb host. Got extra space? Turn it into extra cash. If you've got a spare room, guest suite, or even a cozy backyard spot, why not host travelers and make some money on the side? It's a great way to help with the mortgage, cover bills, or stack up your savings. Want to earn even more? Drop some QR codes around the place that link to affiliate products your guests might love, like those cozy pillows or that fancy soap they keep complimenting. Best for homeowners or property investors looking to make money from space they already own. 24. Narrate audiobooks. Got a great voice and love books? Read your way to income. If you're into storytelling and have a voice that hooks people in, audiobook narration could be your online moneymaker. It takes more than just reading. You'll need to be organized, professional, and consistent. Sites like Audible, ACX, Bunny Studio, and Voices are great places to land gigs. Best for folks with solid vocal skills and a real passion for bringing stories to life. Making money online is legit. It just takes effort and patience. Begin with small steps, stay consistent, and grow from there. Whether you're selling stuff, sharing your skills, or creating content, the internet opens the door for anyone ready to hustle and earn.